Today I'm unboxing my new Boda Skins leather jacket. First off, what I love about this packaging is how they put my first name in big letters across the package. I just got it this morning and I haven't opened it yet. The jacket comes in a really nice case. A really nice touch that Boda Skins always does is to send you a thank you card. And these cards just tell you how to return it and how to take care of your jacket. And one extra thank you card from the CEO. And this is the jacket. I bought the Kay Michaels in platinum hardware. This is my first time opening it, so I'm just checking it out. Oh, wow. I wanted a jacket that would fit me a little tighter, so I went with the extra small. As of right now, it's a little too tight, but a lot of people have said that it does stretch. For my first impressions, I really like this jacket. I didn't expect it to fit so well through the arms. I'm also going to do a video on sizing to help you guys out, and I'm also going to do a proper review. Like this video if I helped you out, and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this.